Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Onodo, good. Alright guys, today on my channel I'll be making some steamed fish. These are my ingredients. I have some scallion here, onion, garlic, pumpkin, pepper, carrot, okra of course, some red and yellow and green bell pepper, thyme, and I have the star, which is the fish, star of the show. So these are some sliced snapper guys that I'm using today, right? I already went ahead and seasoned it with some black pepper, salt, and a little fish seasoning, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead, put my seasoning, my scallion and onion and garlic in. You hear the breeze in the background? It's very windy. The kitchen window is open. I have 4 nice slices of snapper, guys. See how pretty they are? I'm just going to do some steamed fish and crackers. Also gonna go ahead put my carrot and pumpkin here. Boy man, to the center of my kitchen smell good. That scotch bonnet pepper smell good, man. Wow. Let's go ahead and add water. Season my fish, guys, but I'm gonna go in with some more fish seasoning. I also want my vegetables and my other stuff to have flavor. Okay, going in some Old Bay too. Okay. At this point, guys, if you haven't fish tea, cock soup, noodle, whatever, and you want to add it in this, you can go ahead. I'm kind of surprised I don't have any in the house. I always have those things. I was just looking in the cupboard, didn't find any. But you can go ahead and add it in yours if you have and you want it in it. Alright? When I had it in my fish, I strained the noodles off. I just use the water because I don't like the noodles itself. I just like the flavor that I get from it, okay? Just going to go ahead with some pimento seeding. Adding some butter. My thyme. A little black pepper. Right guys, I'm gonna add my fish in now. I'm just gonna cover this, guys. So I had these okra in and just let it cook. Smelling good up in here. Now my bell peppers. Give my taco a shake, even though it's non-stick, guys. Crackers are in, guys. So they're both so long. And this is a nice easy meal you can make for your husband or your boyfriend, you know. Can make for dinner, make for lunch. Ooh, strong up in back. That's what they mother say in Jamaica. There it is, guys, all done. Stove off. Thank you for joining me again, guys, on another episode of Cooking with Cleo. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys. You will definitely be supporting my channel. Help it to grow. Thank you for all my new subscribers. And thank you all of you who are here with me from the beginning until now. There it is, guys. All done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Be blessed. Bye.